In this video, I will show you how to send money from Australia to India through Remitly. To do this, first go and open up Remitly, whether it's the app or website, and then set your country to Australia, and just set the country you're sending to India. Then here you can choose how much you would like to transfer, for example 70 Australian dollars, and you can choose the delivery method right here. So they have UPI, bank deposit, or cash pickup. Just select whichever one you want to use, and then click on send again. Then if you don't have an account yet, click sign up. If you already have one, just gonna sign in. Then in Remitly, click on send money. And for me it's in euro, for you it will be the Australian dollar, but I'm Dutch, so therefore it's the Dutch flag, but these steps are the exact same. So again, just enter how much you would like to send. Then you can choose the delivery method. And for example, if you select a bank account and also which bank they use, for example, State Bank of India, and then you can choose your payment method right here, and then just click on continue. Then you will need to enter your recipient's details, such as their account number, and then you will also need to enter their first and last name, and also how you want to pay for the transfer, and optionally you can add their phone number so that they receive transfer updates, and then you will get an overview where you can see all of the details as well as how long the transfer will take to deliver. So if everything's correct, go and pay for it, and after paying for it, the money will be on its way to your recipient in India. So now you know how you can send money from Australia to India through Remitly. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.